Let's look at the word here. Wife, one more time, is the woman that's married to the man. He's the husband, she's the wife. You can draw the picture or write. Let's go for the parts of speech. Wife is a person, so this is a noun. 5 is easy. You can just write 5. 5 is a thing. It's a noun. Knife is a thing. What is it? It's a noun. Skydive is something you do. Something you do is a verb. Explode is something that happens. It's an action, so it is also a verb. Telescope is this thing. Oops, sorry, you can't really see that. Telescope is this thing. Things, they're nouns, so make sure you put noun. Hole is a thing in the wall, thing on the ground, hole in a paper. It's a thing, so it's a noun. This one was a noun. I won't write everything, so you have to write. This is a whole piece of watermelon, whole pizza, whole cake. Cake. This is a noun. A whole cake. This describes the noun, so what is that? That's an adjective. Like red cake, delicious cake, whole cake. Whole is an adjective. Use is something you do, so it is a verb. Good. And rules are something we have. Things are nouns. This is a noun. Make sure you do this part where you can write the words in Japanese or Korean or draw the picture, and you do the practice on your own. Next practice is your spelling. Make sure you have from 1 to 10. 8, 9, 10. And go in this order just so it's all clean. First one is wife. Second one is 5. Next one is knife. No capitals for these ones. Skydive, explode, telescope, hole, use, and rules. For those of you who can write sentences on your own, you can write your own sentences. Make sure you write nice sentences that shows you can understand. For example, if you write wife is good, 5 is good, knife is good, skydiving is good, I can't tell that you understand how to use these, so make sure the sentences shows that you understand what these words mean and you know how to use them. Some of you are good at writing sentences already, but I know some of you need a little bit more help. So in the next video, I'll help you to write sentences. And for those who can write sentences well, you don't have to write the same sentences as the one I'm showing you. Remember, test is next Wednesday, so make sure you study for it, especially whole and whole. You need to know the meaning, or else, even if I say the sentence, you won't know which whole it is.